For example 6, again we're going to factor using our rectangle model and decomposition. So we're looking for numbers that give us a product of 18, because 3 times 6 is 18, and give us a sum of 11. And the numbers would be 9 and 2. So I'm going to put my 3x squared in there, my 9x, my 2x, and my 6. So I'm going to look for my common factors in each row first of all. Common between 3x squared and 9x is 3x. And common between 2x and 6 would just be the number 2. For my rows or my columns now, common between 3x squared and 2x would be an x. And common between 9x and 6 would just be the number 3. So my factors would be 3x plus 2 times x plus 3. Using decomposition, I'm going to rewrite my polynomial. Instead of saying plus 11x, I'm going to say plus 9x plus 2x plus 6, because if I added those two middle terms, I'd get back to my original polynomial. Then I'm going to put in my brackets. And I'm going to look for the common factors in each bracket. In this bracket, I'd have 3x in common, and I'd be left with x plus 3. In this bracket, I'd have a 2 in common, and again, I'd be left with x plus 3. These are the same, so I know my factors would be 3x plus 2 times x plus 3. And that's the solution when I try to factor the polynomial 3x squared plus 11x plus 6.